So in this video we will learn about strings in Python. String. A string is a sequence of characters. You can say string literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Okay, so you can see here as example I have written here that hello Python. I have enclosed it in a double quotation marks and I have to enclose this name in the single quotation marks. Okay, just see the sequence of characters may include a letter, a number, special character or a backslash. Clear? Python treats single quotes as same the double quotes. Clear? So Python treats single quotes the same as the double quotes. And the triple quotes are typically used for strings that spans multiple lines. Clear? So let's see here how to create the strings. How to create strings. We can create them simply by enclosing the characters in quotes, single, double or triple quotes. Python treats, as I already told this, single quote as the same double quote. Triple quotes can be used in Python, but they are generally used to represent multi-line strings and the document strings. Now, the empty string. Empty string is a string that has zero character. Like, let's see the example here. For string 1, it is enclosed like this way, hello Python, and string 2, Python programming. Fine. The text can be enclosed within single or double quotes. Both are treated as strings. Fine. Python does not support a character type. These are treated as string of length 1, thus also considered a substring. Double quotes and single quote are part of the Python language. They are special characters. To insert them in a string, you have to escape them. Fine. You have to escape them. So, the strings that are having the empty strings, it does not hold any value. That means it is an empty string. Fine. So you can see here to insert the double quotes and single quotes inside a string by using the backslash character. So let's see as an example how to create a string. So let's see here how to use string, simple usage of string. Okay, if I'm writing here print in single quotes, okay, then also the output will be same. If I'm writing the print in double quotes, okay, then also the output is same. So the single quoted and the double quoted strings, they are the same. They are the same one. Okay, now suppose if I simply have to write here, I have to store the value in a variable. So what I will do, I will simply do a is equal to, I am writing here hello Python. Okay, and I am saying now print a. Fine. So it will print the value that is stored in the variable, that is hello Python. Okay, so it will display that value. So this is how this value can be assigned and stored. Okay, now next is, if just suppose if I am writing here, I am storing the values here, like suppose variable 1 is equal to, I am saying hello Python. Okay, hello Python, and in the second variable I am saying here welcomes you welcomes you to Python shell. Okay, if I'm writing this, fine. Now in the next one, I simply want to display the variable. Okay, see here it is always having. Just understand the thing. It does not support a character type. Okay, they are treated as string of length 1. Okay, thus also considered as a substring. Now just simply look here. If I am writing here variable 1a, so this h value is stored in the 0th index. Next e value is stored in the 1. Okay, next l 2, and next L 3, and next O is at the fourth index value. So if I am writing here display, I want to display the value at 0th index, then I simply have to write print. Fine, I will write here print bracket variable 1. Okay, I always enclose the value, the index type value in the square brackets. If I want to access the substrings, then we will use square brackets for slicing along with the index value. Okay, 0. I want the 0th value. Okay, and after that I am writing again variable 1. Fine, 0. Clear? And let me close it. So let's see the output here. Now it is showing at 0th index I have h letter. Okay, this h letter. If I want to just simply check at variable 2, okay, what I will do? Sorry, I have to write here print, print, then variable 2. Okay, the index value, suppose I am saying 2 to 5. Okay, I want 2 to 5 value. Clear? Sorry, I want 2 to 5 value. Fine, and closing this, and again I am writing here variable 2 to 5. Fine, and I will write here this. So let's see the value in variable 2, it is ELC. Fine, like this one. Second, third, sorry, 2 to 5 I am saying na. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here na, 0, 1, 2, ELC. Fine. So it will display the value like this way. Clear? Fine. So just suppose if I am saying I am updating the string value. Okay. If I am saying here now variable 1 is equal to hello world. Okay. If I am saying variable 1 is equal to hello, variable 1 is equal to, I am saying here hello world. Okay, clear? And after this I am saying print updated value. Okay, updated string, updated string, that is variable 1 to 6. Okay, variable 1 to 6 and plus Python. Okay, so let me do the correction here. Fine. So if I will write this, what will happen? Let's see. It is saying, it is showing me the error because I have done updated updated string. Fine. Updated string, then one Python variable 1 2. I am saying here 6. Sorry, 6. Okay, this is done. This is done. Fine. So let's see. Again it is saying variable is not defined. Oh, sorry, I didn't write variable 1 here. Control V here, variable 1. Okay, so you can see here it is displaying me the updated string, that is hello Python. So means I have updated it hello world to hello Python. Okay, so means this value I have displayed world, I have just replaced it with Python. Okay, so this is how we can use it. Fine. Now next is if I want to simply use the empty strings. Okay, simply I want to use the empty strings. Now how to do that? Let's see. If I will say, if I will write here like print, it will not display anything. Okay, it will not display anything because I am writing here nothing in the string. Okay, so it will just simply take it as a empty. It will simply take it as an empty string. Clear? So I hope you have understood. So if you want to see the multi-line string, how to use that, we can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using the three quotes. Okay, three double quotes. Fine. So how to do it? So let's write here, suppose I'm writing here print, I have to use a variable and okay, and I'm writing here hello Python. Okay, this is my first program. This is my first program in Python. Okay, and just simply I am closing it. Okay, now after that I am saying print A. Okay, so it will display me the output like this way. Hello Python. Fine. Or three single quotes. In the result, line breaks are inserted at the same position as in the code. Fine. Howsoever, if you want to simply suppose I am inserting it again and I am writing few more lines. Okay, I am simply writing here like okay, uh, just wait. I can create a new file and I can simply type here and I will write here like if I am writing here we can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. Okay, by using three quotes. Fine. Now let's save it. Okay, just a minute. I will write here multi-line string. Multi-line. Okay, simply save. Now after this, I am writing print A. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see here what is happening actually. You are getting the same line breaks as you have inserted in the at the same position as in the code. Okay, if I have written from here, then it will be inserted here only. Like if I am starting this from here, okay, and I'm running it again, so you will see the indentation has been changed because I have done the changes in my Python shell. Okay, so I hope you have understood the use of empty cell, multi-line string, okay, and empty string, and the simple strings, how to use it, how to get the values from from their position, from the character, okay, from the string, okay, from the string, not from the character, no, from the string. So let's move back. Strings in Python. Subscribe, visit again my channel. Thank you.